y'all know this shit, sing this shit, baby. It go, baby, you mine. You all I ever wanted, we can do it. Bigger than you be up on. Other hoes ain't never own it. I want this forever. Cause she hold me down. When I get right, I promise that we gone. She made me until she. I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best. Y'all the best I ever had. Know you got a roommate. Call me when there's no one there. Put the key under the bed and you know I'll be over there. I be over there, shawty, I be over there. I be hitting all the spots that you ain't even know was there. Yeah, and you don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart, we can share it like the last slice. Always felt like you were so accustomed to the fast life. Had me really thinking that I met you in a past life. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest, I hope that you don't take it wrong. You don't even trip and say you ain't bringing Drake along. You know that I'm working, I'll be there soon as I make it home. Yeah. She a patient in my waiting room. Never pay attention to the rumors and what they assume. And so until the girls prove it, I'm the one that never get confused with. Baby, you mine. You we can do it. You be up on other girls and I want this forever. Cause she hold me down. When I get right, I promise that we gone. She made me until she. I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best. Y'all the best I ever had. Sex, love, pain, baby, I be on that tank shit. Buzz so big, I can probably sell a blanket. When my album drop, bitches will buy it for the picture. Niggas will buy it too, but they got it for their sister. Magazine, paper, girl, but money ain't the issue. They bring dinner to my room and ask me to initial. She called me the referee, I be so official. Sure they got no stripes, I could. Like the Andy Griffin theme song. And who told you to put the jeans on? Double cup love, you the one I lean on. Feeling fall fixing, you should really get your feet on. Yeah, know my condo is the crack spot. Every single show she out there rapping like a mascot. Get in front of back and make your fucking bra strap pop. All the biggest slot till that nigga hit the jackpot. Say we can do it. You be up on other hoes they never own it. I wanna know which side is the best.